So you're stuck in tutorial hell, right? The endless cycle of following coding tutorials but never actually feeling like you're making progress on your own projects? Trust me, you're not alone, but AI might be the game changer you need to finally break free. Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to explain to you how AI is helping people escape the infamous tutorial trap. I've been there myself and it felt so frustrating that whenever I would finish a whole course, I would know some stuff, bits and pieces, but I wouldn't dare to start even a simple project. We'll explore how you can start using these tools today to fast track your skills and finally build the projects you've been dreaming of. Now here's the deal, I'm not saying watching tutorials is bad. They can really help you at least get the main core idea and the basics, which is really good, but once you have the basics, it's time to move into starting your own project. And here's where AI comes in really handy, since you don't have to worry that you're on your own, since you have an assistant that's there with you. Now this is such a big deal, at least it was to me, because I could literally ask ChatGPT, for example, since I'm using it the most, and it would explain to me the things that I didn't really understand. Very importantly here is that whenever you don't understand something, ask for clarifications. Don't just copy paste the code ChatGPT or any other AI tools throw out to you. It's important that you understand the concepts. This will make you better and better with time. I get it, sometimes you're in a hurry and you just want the solution, but if you really want to escape tutorial hell, make sure you understand the why and how behind each situation AI gives you. If something's confusing, ask follow-up questions. ChatGPT, for instance, doesn't just spit out answers. It can break down concepts in plain language so you can actually get it. Now here's the thing about AI that makes it so powerful. Tutorials often give you just one way to do something, but AI can adapt to your specific questions and coding needs. It's literally like having a tutor on call 24/7, ready to answer even the tiniest questions. When you're coding on your own and hit a roadblock, AI tools like ChatGPT can explain tricky parts, offer multiple ways to solve a problem, and even suggest improvements to your code. It's not just telling you what to do, it's helping you understand why it works. I know some people think using AI means you're cheating or relying too much on shortcuts, but that's not the case. Think of AI as a tool just like a debugger or a reference book. You're still in control and the work is still yours. AI just helps you get there faster. And after all, isn't that the best skill in the world? Adaptability? AI is going to get better and better, so why not rely on it when we can? If it can make you learn, understand, and code faster, why not take advantage of it? So here's my challenge to you. Pick a project, start it, and don't be afraid to ask AI for help along the way. Just remember to learn as you go. Once you complete one project, you'll feel a huge difference in your confidence and skill. And that's when you know you're truly out of tutorial hell.